Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by reducing tension. Turn the tuners until each string is slack, then unwind and remove the old strings carefully. Once done, wipe the exposed fretboard and bridge area. Dirt and oils trap under new strings, so cleaning now improves tone and longevity. Make sure to have your new set, string winder, cutters, and tuner within reach. This keeps the process continuous. You don't need elaborate setup. Just focus on controlled removal, safety for the finish, and an organized workspace to speed the next steps. You thread each new string through the bridge or tailpiece, ensuring the ball end seats properly. This prevents slipping. Then guide the string through its nut slot and pull toward the tuner, leaving about 2 to 3 inches of slack for winding. This slack creates clean coils. Once you start winding, make sure coils wrap neatly downward toward the peghead base so later coils push lower ones and lock. Repeat for all strings, keeping tension low but consistent. This makes final tuning smoother and reduces slippage. You now bring each string up to pitch gradually. Tune roughly by ear or with a tuner until near target pitch, then move to precise tuning. Once tuned, gently pull each string away from the fretboard 2 to 3 times to pre-stretch and retune. Repeat until tuning stabilizes. Trim excess string ends close to the tuning post for safety. Finally, check intonation and play across frets. If buzzing or dead notes appear, make small saddle or relief adjustments. Tip: if a string won't hold pitch, check for slippery windings or a sharp nut slot and correct it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.